Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still on the topic of child protective services. And this is a question I hear all the time. Why does CPS, when they come inside at that initial visit, open up the refrigerator and your cupboards?
So it goes back to the previous video where I say kind of what they do. They check the home, right, to make sure that there are standards that are met within New York State. So really what they're looking at is there enough food in the home for the child? Is there enough food in the home for the family? So that's why they look in the cupboards. That's why they look in the refrigerator to make sure that you actually do have enough food for the family that's there. That does not mean they're going to make another report or they're going to turn you in on their own. It also allows the caseworker to determine whether you need extra supports and services, because another capacity of a CPS investigator isn't just to investigate the allegations, but also sometimes families who are in need go under the radar. So it allows us to assess the home and maybe link you up with other services in the community to help you out in certain situations. So that's two reasons we look for the food in the home and things like that.
Okay, great answer, because a lot of people think it's so strange. Why did they open my refrigerator? All right, remember, like us and also subscribe to us. Until next time, Tina and Tim out.